In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write checks in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on your main dashboard or workspace. From there, look for the Create button. This is where you begin entering new transactions in the system. Click Create and under the Vendors section, select Check. That will open the check entry screen where you can record the payment. Once the form opens, begin by choosing the payee. Use the Payee drop-down menu to select the person or supplier you're paying. If the payee hasn't been added to your QuickBooks account yet, you can select Add New and create their profile right from this screen. This helps keep your records organized and makes future payments easier to enter. Next, choose the bank account the money will come from. In the bank account drop-down, select the correct account for the payment. QuickBooks will then display the current balance for that account, which gives you a helpful snapshot before you record the check. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're using the right bank account, especially if your company has more than one. After that, enter the check details, add the payment date, then enter the check number if you already have one. If you plan to print the check later instead of entering a handwritten or pre-printed check number now, you can select the print later option. This is useful if you want QuickBooks to help manage the printing process after the transaction is saved. Now move down to the expense or item section. This is where you tell QuickBooks what the payment is for. You can use category details to assign the payment to an expense account, which works well for things like rent, utilities, or professional services. You can also use item details if the payment relates to specific products or services you track as items in QuickBooks. Be sure to enter the appropriate information carefully so your bookkeeping stays accurate and your reports reflect the payment correctly. Once everything has been filled out, take a moment to review the form. Double check the payee, bank account, date, check number or print setting, and the category or item details. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close to record the transaction and exit the form. If you need to write another check right away, choose Save and New instead. That's how to write checks in QuickBooks Online. When entered correctly, this process helps keep your expenses organized, your vendor payments documented, and your financial records up to date.